Imagine welding protection that is as versatile as you are. Imagine a way for you to control how you see and how you feel. That's why the Speedglas Heavy-Duty Welding Helmet G5-01 is more than a new helmet. Featuring our latest precision optics for more realistic colors in all states. And now with the 3M Speedglas Welding Filter G5-01VC, you have variable color in the dark state. Choose between natural, cool, or warm tones. You determine which color has the best viewing contrast and most comfort for your eyes. The G5-01VC filter also has dark shades up to 14. With our smartphone app, you can keep track of all your favorite filter settings, dark shades, switching sensitivities, and delays. The optional task light runs off your 3M AdFlow battery pack for hours of powerful lighting. Designed for heavy-duty high-amperage welding and grinding, the flip-up G5-01 helmet connects to the 3M AdFlow powered air respirator. And with our large head cover and fabric shroud, you extend head and neck coverage. With the NIOSH-approved system, you can achieve an assigned protection factor of 1,000 by adding these two accessories. Take control of your airflow by directing it to either your face, your visor, or somewhere in between. You can also adjust the amount of air coming from the top outlets versus the two side outlets, or somewhere in between. Configure the helmet to your changing applications and your preferences. For extended non-welding work or helmet maintenance, just unscrew the two dials and completely remove the welding visor. The bottom front of the helmet is interchangeable. You can use the rigid neck protector or the extended fabric head and neck protectors, or in other material like leather. There's even a high visibility head cover. New adjustment options let you more precisely control the distance and angle from your eyes to the clear visor and ADF. The headband has improved self-adjusting comfort paddles along your forehead and an extra-large back pad for enhanced comfort. Take your craft to a new level and experience what we call comfortable safety. 3M Speedglas Welding Safety. You know welding. We know welders.